Section 3.4 homework problem number 12. Now this is a very important concept we want to make sure our students understand. So let's look at my example here. Although the problem looks a little different, the explanation is pretty much the same. So 1/2 plus 2/5 equals 3/5. We know it's incorrect because this student is adding 1 and 2 to get 3 and 2 and 3 to get 5, which is incorrect. But Jessica can justify that by using a drawing. So first she drew 1/2. First she drew 1/2. So this is the whole, one whole, divided into 2 equal parts. So that's 1/2 and that's 1/2. And then she drew the second whole, one whole, and then divided into 3 equal parts, each of size 1/3. And then when she add them, so this is another one whole, and then so this is what she did. So she was thinking, well, we can add this part. So again, the shaded represent the fraction 1/2, and then so here let's label this. So this is 1/2, and this is 2/3. So when I add them, I'm just gonna add 1/2 here, one part plus 1 and 2, so that's a total of 3 parts. And so she just literally just take these 3 parts and put them together, and these are the 2 white parts. So she literally joined this one and that one together and made a longer piece. So she was thinking, well, this was the first piece right here, 1/2. This was 1/2. And these 2 right here, that's 2/3. And look, that's 1, 2, 3 out of total 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this explanation, of course, is wrong, but what is the flaw? What is the problem in her? It seems like correct, but there is a fatal problem here. And again, when we add fractions, 1/2, every fraction is out of whole. So let's say 1/2 of a pizza or a cake or a pie, and then plus 2/3 of also of a pizza. So we got what of a pizza. So when we add fractions, 1/2 of a pizza and 2/3 of a pizza, these 2 pizzas must have the same size. And when we get after we add them, this out of the pizza, it's also of the same size. So these 3 fractions, again, each fraction has a whole. A fraction is a portion out of a whole. 1/2 is out of whole. 2/3 is out of whole. And so the total will be also out of the whole. And so we're going to have, in this case, these 3 wholes must be the same whole, cannot be different wholes. So we notice what she used. Her first whole is this size, but her second whole, so this is the whole for the fraction 2/3. It's apparently longer. And then the third whole, which is the whole for the answer, it's much longer. So apparently she used the 3 different wholes, as you can see. So look, the first whole is this short, this from here to here. Second whole is getting longer. The third whole is even longer. So she's talking about 3 different things. So for example, this maybe it's a smaller size pizza. And then she's adding a big pizza, like a small size, a medium size. And then she's talking about a large size. And when we add fractions, we cannot add portions from 3 different sizes. It has to be from the same size pizza. So that's why her explanation is incorrect. So in fact, when she drew the first whole, so this is the first pizza, the second pizza, and it must be, this is 1/2, and this is 2/3. The size each actually is smaller. It cannot, the size don't stay the same, because when you have 2/3, each size is going to be smaller. So she used the 3 different wholes, which is incorrect.